Why does your scanner show the P0031 engine code? What does it mean? P0031 is a diagnostic trouble code for HO2S, Heater Control Circuit Low, Bank 1, Sensor 1. This engine code indicates that this means there's a fault with the heated oxygen sensor HO2S heater circuit, specifically the one located on the exhaust manifold before the catalytic converter, Bank 1, Sensor 1. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty oxygen sensor, wiring and connector issues, ECM problems, other potential causes. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Toyota, Volkswagen, Ford, Dodge, Hyundai, Nissan, and Subaru. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.